In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smoothly transfer your Canva presentation into Google Slides for a seamless workflow. This process is incredibly useful if you want to benefit from the collaborative features of Google Slides, or if you're simply looking to streamline your presentations across different platforms. Rest assured, the steps are straightforward, and I'll guide you through each one to ensure a successful transfer. First, start by opening your presentation design in Canva. This is your creative playground where your ideas have taken shape. Once you have your presentation in view, head over to the top right corner of Canva. There, you'll spot either a download button or you might see a share option followed by More. What you're looking for is the ability to download your presentation, and you'll want to choose the Microsoft PowerPoint (PPTX) format. This ensures that your design keeps its integrity and remains compatible for import later on. After downloading your file, the next step is to bring it into Google Slides. Open up Google Slides and navigate to File located in the top menu. Here you'll see an Import Slides option. Select this, and when prompted, upload the .pptx file you just saved from Canva. This action facilitates the movement of your presentation from Canva's creative interface into the collaborative environment of Google Slides. At this stage, you'll be presented with the option to choose specific slides to import. You can handpick particular slides that you want to include, though importing all slides is often convenient for keeping the entire presentation intact. Once your slides are imported, there's a crucial step to consider. You can navigate to File, then select Save as Google Slides. This step transforms your presentation into a Google Slides native format, which not only secures it within the Google ecosystem, but also enhances its accessibility for editing and collaboration. An important part of this process is reviewing and resolving any formatting or font issues that may arise during the transition. Sometimes, fonts might not render as expected due to differences in the libraries of Canva and Google Slides. Therefore, it's advisable to go through each slide and ensure that text is displaying correctly and your design elements are aligned as intended. Taking the time to adjust these will ensure that your presentation looks professional and polished. This transition opens up new opportunities for collaboration and real-time editing, while preserving your original creative flair. So by following these steps, you'll find that you've not only transferred your presentation, but have also expanded its potential for dynamic use and enhanced teamwork. Whether you're presenting to a small team or a large audience, your slides will now be ready for any Google environment, with all your original Canva touches in place. That's all there is to it. Happy presenting!